Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to name a Pokemon in Pokémon Go application. So let's get started. Launch open the Pokémon Go app on your mobile device and log in if necessary. Once logged in, tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom of the screen. Now click on Pokemon to see your Pokemon collections. From the list, scroll through your Pokemon and tap the Pokemon whose name you want to change. Now click the pencil icon right next to the Pokemon's name. Go ahead and erase or modify your name for the Pokemon and then click on OK. Right after you do that, your Pokemon has now a brand new name. Naming your Pokemon is a fun way to personalize your collection and make your favorite catchers even more special. So that's how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.